I stated in the video, in the lecture video, that I prefer using this form to find my equation of the lines. And let me show you how that works. Y equal mx plus b, equation of a line passing through 1, 3. That 1, 3 is an x and a y. So I'm going to plug in 3 for the y, and I'm going to plug in a 1 in for x. Okay? Now, we're given slope, which is m, is 1/5. So I'm going to plug that in. Now, what variable do you have left? You only have b. So solve this equation for b, and you know what I'm going to ask you to do first is to clear your fractions by multiplying everything by 5. And that gives me 15 equals 1, because you multiply 3 by 5, and that cancels that 5 out, plus 5b. And that's 14 equals 5b. That's 14 over 5. Let me erase that where you can read it better. 14 over 5 equal b. So we know y equals mx plus b. Y equals the slope, which is 1/5, x plus 14 over 5. And there's your equation of your line. Let me change my width. There we go. All right, equation of the line passing through 2, 1 and parallel to x minus 2y equal 4. Well, my line's parallel to this line. Let's find the slope of that line. That's negative 2y equal minus x plus 4. That's y equal, divide everything by 2, 1/2 x minus 2. So the slope of my line is 1/2, and it goes to the point 2, 1. And we know y equal mx plus b. So y is 1, slope is 1/2 times x, which is 2, plus b. 2's cancel, you're left with 1 equal 1 plus b. 0 equal b. So y equal mx plus b, y equals the slope, which we found to be 1/2 x plus 0, or just y equal 1/2 x. All right, equation of a line passing through negative 2, negative 5, and perpendicular to this guy. So this is negative 6y equals negative x minus 5. Y equal 1/6x plus 5/6. The slope of this line is 1/6, but it's perpendicular to my line is, so I need to do a negative reciprocal, otherwise known as negative 6. Change the sign and flip it. So my slope is negative 6, and it goes to that point, y equal mx plus b, negative 5. I'm plugging in, remember we're using y equal mx plus b. Negative 5 is your y coordinate. My slope is negative 6 times x, which is negative 2, plus b. That's negative 5 equals positive 12 plus b. Subtract 12 from both sides. Negative 17 equals b. Write your equation. Y equal m. What is m? M is negative 6. X minus 17. There's your equation of the line. Now let's see what's on the next page. Okay. Here. Okay. Vertical line passing through 1, 3. Now if you've got a vertical line, you know what a vertical line is. It's passing through 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. That order pair is 1, 3. All right. Think about it. Every ordered pair on this vertical line has the same what? It has the same x value. All those ordered pairs, the x value is 1. And that's going to be the equation of the line, x equal 1. All vertical lines are x equal equations. Another way to say that, instead of saying vertical, I could say line with undefined slope. And number 5 here, slope is 0. I know a line that's horizontal has a slope that's 0, just like this one has a slope that's undefined. So if I've got 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, if I've got a line like this, tell me something. What's consistent about every ordered pair on that line? They all have the same y value, and the y value is 4, and that's the equation of the line.